Today I'm telling you guys about a really good company and that's been on my page before that I've told you guys about. It's GuruNanda. I'm not 100% sure if I'm pronouncing it right. They have like oils, they have so many different things that I love so much. But today is one of the new products that I'm going to be telling you guys about, and it's their pulling oil. Stuff has so many benefits. It helps promote healthy digestion, helps promote healthy gums, whiten your teeth. It's really good for skin and hair. And I tried this, but it tastes kind of like mint. But it comes with this little cup, and you just put it in your mouth, swish it around. You do not swallow it, and you just spit it out, and just keep doing it, and you'll see awesome results. Non-GMO, no preservatives, no artificial colors, alcohol-free, and fluoride free. Yeah, I love that so much. So you guys need to go get this and try it out for yourselves. But bye.